Good morning, my dear students. Continuing with our topic treatment of goodwill. The third one, there is a case when goodwill already appears in the books of account. Whenever goodwill already appears in the books of account at the time of admission of a partner, we have to write it off. The goodwill has to be written off. Already appearing goodwill has to be written off amongst the old partners in old ratio. In old ratio, mind it, in old ratio, and the journal entry for the same will be old partners capital account debit to goodwill account in old ratio. It is called writing off. The self-generated goodwill generated internally generated goodwill cannot be raised in the books of account. So if it is already appearing in the books of account at the time of admission of a partner, the goodwill has to be written off amongst the old partners in the old ratio. This is the journal entry, old partners capital account debit to goodwill account. I will explain you through an example. Key points I have already noted here. A and B are partners. The ratio is 3:2. They admit C for 1/5 share, and C brings 30,000 as his capital and 10,000 as his share of goodwill. But goodwill already appearing in the books of account is 3,000 rupees, and this 3,000 rupees goodwill will be written off amongst the old partners in their old ratio, which is 3:2. So entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to goodwill account. The amount will be 3,000. Here it will be 1,400, and here it will be 3,000. We will divide it in the ratio 3:2. 3:2. So it will be divided by 5. It will be 600. 6 3 is 1,800 and 1,200. So this goodwill appearing in the books of account 3,000 is written off. First journal entry will be the goodwill will be written off in the old ratio 3:2. New profit sharing ratio is already given 5:3:2 in the question. We will calculate the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio will be, you know the formula, and the sacrificing ratio of this question will be 1:1. When you will calculate it, you will find sacrificing ratio 1:1, and then we will do the two remaining entries as discussed in the previous class. First, bank account debit to premium for goodwill and to C's capital account. Bank account debit 30 plus 10, 40,000 to premium for goodwill 10,000 and to C's capital account 30,000. And when this goodwill 10,000 will be distributed amongst the old partners A and B in the sacrificing ratio. You know the journal entry again. Premium for goodwill account debit 10,000 to A's capital account and to B's capital account in the sacrificing ratio, which is equal 1:1. Therefore, journal entry will be, I know that you all are very smart, and the journal entry you can make by yourself. The journal entry will be premium for goodwill account debit 3,000, sorry 10,000, which the new partner has brought 10,000 to A's capital account 5,000 to B's capital account 5,000. So this was yet another case when goodwill is already appearing in the books of account. First, it has to be written off with this journal entry, and the remaining you have to do as it is told. Thank you. God bless you. Stay at home and keep yourself safe. Thank you.